Once again, good morning to everyone. Today I came with a new topic, a very important topic. That is, the name of the topic is CNC machine. So I will briefly revise the things yesterday what we are going to discuss in the previous class. I will revise that. So nothing in that. Just we have started the new model. That is the fifth model according to syllabus. The fifth model. The name of the model is numerical control machine and CNC machine and distributed numerical control machine, DNC, NC, CNC and DNC machine. Okay, three concept is there. I think one of the very easiest subject, easiest model it is, because already you have already you people have studied in the sixth semester computer integrated manufacturing, you have a subject, is it not? Yes or no? So in that subject you have studied the CNC machines, programming, G code, M codes, different operations, program you have done. One more thing, very important thing is that you have a practical lab also, same lab also you are having. So you have done with the software as well as the capstone caps mill software you want to use. Okay, then you did the many experiments and many operations, and I think you people are very familiar with the programming and all. So because of that reason I am telling that this is one of the very easiest model for you people. You people have to get the good marks, full marks in this model. If they ask in the exam about NC machine or CNC machine, block diagram, applications or something, they will ask, no, you people have to write, don't lose the marks in this model. So don't want to waste the time much, so I will start with the session. The name is CNC machine. The CNC stands for computer numerical control machine. Okay, it is described as a machine. Okay, CNC machine it is described as the machine which is used to control the motions of the workpiece, okay, and the tool with help of the prepared program by the computer. So once again I repeat, okay, CNC machine it is described as a machine. So just I will say that. So this is one kind of machine which is used, okay, to control. Why we are using this machine? Because we need to control the motions of the workpiece as well as the tool. So in the previous you can go for the traditional and all. So in that machine the controlling the tools and workpiece with the help of manually, but here we are not going to be do any manual operations in the CNC machine. Please keep in mind, okay, everything will be going to be do in the machine with the help of, okay, how the workpiece and tool is going to be maintaining machine, something actuators is needed, yes or no, behind that. So with the help of that preparing programming by the computer, what we will do, we will use the computer and we are going to be according to the whatever the expectation or your what you want to, which product you want to design, that shape, size, dimensions, symbols, everything in the G codes and M codes we are going to use and prepare the which one program. Once it runs in the software, so or you can use computer and run in the software. So what will happen, it is going to be controlling the things in the workpiece as well as the tool is going to be controlling, and finally it is according to your expectation the model is going to be prepared. Okay, so this is I am going to be defining or giving the meaning of the CNC machine. I hope you understand. CNC machine it is described as the machine which is used to control the motion of the workpiece and tool by the preparing of the program of the computer. Only two things you have to maintain: controlling the workpiece and tool. How? By the preparing the program in computer. Okay, or again by the computer, with the help of computer we are going to preparing that whatever the preparing the program is going to be help to the control the workpiece and tool. This is we called as a CNC machine. In the slide of you can able to see the image of the which one we called as a CNC machine also. See here, this is a check 4 jaw or a 3 jaw chucks are there. So you have to put your workpiece inside here. See here, like this, these are the coolants, and here this side the three circular means I think the six tools we are going to fix here. You can at a time you can do the 6 operations over in the CNC machines. Okay, this is totally 360 rotation will be there, and this is opening means coolant and something. So if you want to keep inside the workpiece here, what you will do, just here door will be there behind, before that door will be there. So this is fully covered with the sliding door is there, just you have to slide this side. So you have to keep inside the workpiece and fix it. So automatically you have to close this door. So everything coolant, okay, coolant supply and tool operations, size, symbol, everything we feed into the monitor. Okay, here you can able to see here control panel will be there. Okay, so this should be not there in the CNC machine, NC machine as well as the lathe machine. You can able to see here number of buttons are there, number of keyboards are number monitor also you can able to see here. So with the help of this we are going to run the program. We will enter the program here, then according to this, okay, here going to be work will be done over in the inside the CNC machine. In the CNC machine, people what they do while producing the product by the CNC machine, nothing they will do. Initially the program will come and feed the program over here. Okay, it can also storing possibility also there. Can, if you want to store it. Once it is whatever the ITI, some people will come and put inside the workpiece and hold it, then close the door. Sliding door is there, close the door, then automatically within 1 or 2 minutes the specimen will going to be prepared. Then after that you will give the signal, again you have to open it, then you have to remove that specimen, again you have to put it. This process is continuously. Okay, this process is continuously. And one more thing I would like to share, very important point is that NC machine, yesterday we are discussing, that is a open loop control system. So CNC machine is, please remember, this is a closed loop control system. This is also very important for your examination point of view or your understanding point of view. I think this is one of the very important point. So I hope you people are understand. I think understand the slide, the first slide. Shall I go for next topic? See here, very important examination point of view in the second slide. Okay, so block diagram of CNC. Okay, so actually see here, this is means extra thing is that here the computer will be going to be added. Okay, in the NC machine and these things everything will be same, but here the tape reader as a program instructions will be there inside in the NC machine. In case of NC machine, so instead of mini computer, okay, tape reader as well as the program instruction is there. But when comes to the CNC machine block diagram, tape reader as well as the program instruction will be not there. Instead of that we are going to use the mini computers. Okay, then the servo system will be there. Okay, that whatever the mini computers means, first I would like to explain the parts of the CNC machines. So computer is there, then servo system will be there, as well feedback system is there, then CNC machine tool is also there. Then after that finally end of this process you can able to see that finished product will be there. Okay, you can able to see the clear picture of the image I mentioned in the slide with a different color. You people are understanding very clearly, and there is nothing difficult in this. So once again I'll explain the components. Once I will discuss the components of CNC. Okay, so here the main thing is computer, servo system and CNC machine tool. So this is three component. Okay, three components very important for the feedback, and we are going to use the sensors. While explaining that I will explain this. First you have to remember the components. For example, in the exam, in the final VT exam, examination, external examination exam, they may ask about the 7 to 8 questions, 7 to 8 marks of the questions about CNC machine. Explain with a neat sketch of the block diagram and its mention its applications. They may ask about very clearly. No, I am sure about that. Definitely these kind of questions will come for your internal also, and this kind of questions will come for your external also. Please be prepared that there is nothing difficult here. Very just I think model as well as the diagrams also. Nothing complicated. Very simple block diagram is there. So main three concepts, components are there: computer, servo motor, and CNC machine. So briefly, step by step, what is the role of computer, what is the role of servo motor, what is the role of machine tool, I will discuss with the next slide. Okay, shall I go for next slide? Okay, see here, the next slide, components of CNC machines. Okay, I said that three are there. One is computer, and second is I think servo motor, and third one is machine tool. Okay, see here, first point, CPU, central processing unit. Okay, central processing unit, it is a part, it is a heart of computer. CPU, without CPU system computer will not work. Okay, the first point is the CPU is the heart of CNC machine. Actually it is not, because it is CPU is not the heart of CNC, because I am talking CNC. So when comes to the CNC machine, CPU is the heart of CNC. Okay, in generally CPU is the heart of computer. Clear? Okay, and comes to the second point, it consists of Okay, whatever the CPU, I'm talking about the CPU now. Okay, means computer in the sense main part is CPU. Now I am going to be inside the parts, interior part of the computer and CPU I'm going to discussing. It consists of the motherboard, RAM, ROM, PLC. I think you know the full form of the RAM and all, read only memory, random access memory, okay, and program logical control. These are the things of the different memories of the computer. And third point, part program stored in memory. Okay, part read access memory here. Okay, part program stored in memory. Okay, whatever the we said that initially what we'll do in the NC machine, the program how we don't have options to store in the NC machines. Rushabh Shah, Rushabh Shah, please mute yourself. Okay, Rushabh Shah, are you able to hear my voice?
Are you able?
Hello, voice is audible. Okay, okay, okay. Voice is audible, no, Rushabh Shah. Huh? Okay. So this program is data is decoded and transformed, okay, into specific positions control and velocity signals by whatever the program logic control is there, and send it to the servo motor through the servo amplifier. Okay. So third point I will repeat once again because it is a little bit complicated for you people to understand. So I will clearly explain that the third point. The part program stored in a memory. Okay. This program data is decoded and transformed into specific positions. What will happen here? Whatever the program you are going to preparing, okay, that's maybe I think okay, CNC program, maybe a different operations. That program we have to go into what we'll do in store in the memory. Okay, so once it's stored in the memory, okay, so what will happen? The program is data decoded and transformed in a specific positions. It will be going to program is converted into a mechanical, means what will happen, we are going to be controlling the workpiece also to know. So here the specific position control and velocity signals by PLC, what will happen, it is going to be converted into a signal form, that is a program logical control, and sent into the servo motor. After that it is in the form of signal because electronic devices, okay, servo motor is electronic device. It sends signals to the servo motor. Servo motor is going to be run through the servo amplifier. Amplifier is going to be guidance to the servo motor. Servo motor helps to rotate. Okay, so just for your understanding purpose, just a long form of the RAM, ROM, and PLC. ROM is a read only memory. RAM is a read access memory. Sorry for that. Here only 0. Instead of that, you have to right here the memory. Okay, and PLC, program logical control. So these are the I think first component of the CNC machine. Okay, I hope you people are understanding this concept of the component. First component, are you understanding or not? Are you understanding? But I said
Yes, sir.
okay, nothing CPU, basic concept of computers there, CPU, sir, no, everyone knows that. But thing is how you are going to be converting program into action is very important. That's the main help of that. Electronic hardware components are there, electronic components are there. That components will helps to the converting whatever the program signals into a PLC, means program logical control is 0, that convert and send to the signals to the servo motor. Servo motor will helps to the rotate with the help of the servo motor system as well as the servo motor amplifier, you can call it as. So one of the very basic and very easiest component of the CNC. I'll move to the second slide as followed. Okay, as following. Okay, servo motor, the second basic component of CNC machine. Okay, the second basic component of CNC machine is servo motor. Just I would like to see here, you can able to see here. So this is yellow color, you can able to see here, yellow color is there, arrow mark is given to the forward, arrow mark is going to be given to the CNC machine tool. Again one more you have to see here, from the backward direction the arrow mark is coming, that is a feedback. Okay, feedback again is connected to the servo motor system. So here the role is very important of the servo motor, the second component of the servo motor. So everyone have a means curiosity is how the servo motor is going to be designed, and okay, how, what is the structure of that. So for your understand purpose, I bought the one image. See here the servo motor image will be there, So you don't consider this. Don't you have to see, you have to, this is a servo motor actually construction of the electrical motor. Okay, see here, come to the second point. Servo motor, the second basic component of CNC machine. And second point is, a servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate. Okay, please carefully understand. A servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with great precision. If you want to rotate the object at some specific angles or distance, then you use servo motors. Servo motors role is, means it is like a actuators, means it is supposing it is helping to the rotate, it is helping to the rotating or in the circular direction at maybe angle, any angles also, any distance also is going to move. Okay, this is a main component, this is a main function of the servo motor. Servo motor is one of the electrical device, okay, which can push or rotate the object, okay, with great precision, that to very high accuracy. There is no variation of the dimensions, even small also, small mistakes also. Okay, if you want to rotate an object at some specific angles or distance, okay, if you want to move whatever, if you want to rotate whatever the workpiece as a tool, it's having cert, if suppose you can give the some angles, it's going to be exactly move that angle only. And it's, if suppose in the length, whatever the movement of that, in forward, backward, that aspects will be, options also will be there, that will going to be throughout whatever the controlling happened with the help of the servo motor. Okay, I hope you people understand this point. Come to the second point. Servo motor, it is just made up of simple motor which run through servo mechanism or amplifier. I said that servo motor is electrical device. Okay, it's a run through with the amplifier. Okay, means servo amplifier, as you can call it, a servo mechanism. With the help of that, servo motor is going to be a work. I hope this is one of the very easiest slide. I think easiest concept it is. Second component is very important also. Okay, easiest is there, but important is there. Please remember it. Okay, once again I repeat the servo motor. This is second basic component of CNC machine. A servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with a great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angles or distance, then you use servo motor. It is just made up of simple motor which run through a servo mechanism or amplifier. I hope you people are understanding clearly. Okay, shall I go for next topic? Next slide. Okay. This is a third slide. Okay, third component. Okay, so the third basic component of CNC machine is machine control panel. Okay, so very important role will be there. Actually, the what we are going to finishing the product, what we are going to producing the product, that will be happen in the last component, that is a machine control panel. Okay, if you want to see the machine control panel, for you people, I means this is, I can able to see here clearly. This is actually control panel. So this type of control panel will be there in the CNC machine. If you have a time, you can in the Google or YouTube, you can search it, animations of I think CNC machine, and different operations of the CNC machines will be, you can able to see that. See one or two videos, you people will get the knowledge of the CNC machine. If anybody means, if internship and all, I think in anywhere industrial visit, maybe you have seen this CNC machine. In our college also, CNC machine we are having in the HT lab. If you want, you can come and see the CNC machine will be there. Okay, so this is, I will come to the topic component of the CNC, means one is control panel. See here, different knobs are there. Okay, I think different keyboards are there, different color. Is there? No, because here coordinates, symbols, alphanumerical. Okay, I think x-axis, y-axis, knob, coolant supply, feed rate, clockwise direction, anti-clockwise directions, how much time, everything. Whatever the input are there for the producing the component, that will be happened in the control panel. Okay, so very important role of the control panel is going to be controlling the whole operations, and it is going to be get the final product, whatever the raw material is converted into a final product, that will be happen in the control panel. Okay, comes to the slide. So theory part will be there little bit. I would like to explain the point wise. Okay, 4 to 5 points are there. Machine control panel of the CNC. The third basic concept of CNC machine is a machine control panel, and second point, it consists of a screen and keyboard. I shown already in the control panel how it is going to be actually having. Okay, what are the things is going to be having the control panel. Control panel is not only having the knobs and all, it is having a keyboards, different buttons. Okay, and as well as other signal symbols also is having different colors also having. Okay, according to the program, so we have to feed program into the whatever the display or control panel. So third point, a control panel is a flat, often vertical area where control or monitoring instruments are displayed. Okay, what will happen here, just his third point is going to be about the panel. Okay, it's how it will be, it is going to be flat. Okay, so that will stick with the whatever the sheet metal is there, you stick with that. Then inside the all the electronics components are going to be connected. Okay, inside CPU will be there, storing everything will be options will be there for the in the CNC machine. And fourth one, it is an enclosed unit, that is the part of a system that users can access. It is an enclosure that it is a part of system that can use access, such as control panel of a security system, also called as control unit. Okay, whatever the means what you want to giving, that is going to be whatever the from a servo motor that give directions to the control panel. Control panel is going to be controlling the things. And so fifth one is feed rate and coolant supply. I said in the first point only, feed rate in the sense means what is the depth of cut we have to give. Okay, per minute how much we have to remove the material, everything based on the workpiece, which type of which kind of workpiece we are going to use. Okay, based on that we have to see that the what amount of what the rate of the feed rate we have to give, and what is the coolant, how you are going to supply, everything will be comes to the machine control panel. Okay, so I hope you understand I think machine control panel as well as components of CNC machine. Understanding or not? बड़े साहब, हेलो बड़े साहब, Rishabh Shah,
Yes, sir.
understanding? Shall I repeat once again?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding clear all the three
Yes,
components
sir.
of CNC machine? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute it. I'll go for the next
Understanding.
slide. I'll go for the next slide. Okay. Mute it. Okay. Okay. So I hope you people are understanding. Okay. So for basic components of the CNC machine, three are there. I think CPU, servo motor, and the machine control panel. I think I discussed with a very important point with the image of the servo motor as well as the control panel. I clearly explained the things. When it comes to the examination point of view and knowledge point of view, is very important. So throughout the classes today we are going to discussing the CNC yes or no parts, components, functions. Okay. The next question will arise, if we start using the CNC machine, what is the advantage? Everyone mind the question will going to be arising. The very common question it is. So what is the advantage of CNC machine? Machining is accurate. Whatever the why we are going to, what is the advantage of a CNC machine? First point is accurate machining will be done in the CNC machine. Very accurate. Okay, exactly. There is no variation between the any champering, finishing, knurling, whatever that. So whatever operation you will do, no, that's exactly accurately. Means high accuracy you will be able to see here compared to lathe machine, compared to NC machine. We are getting a high accuracy machining process in the CNC machining. This is the first advantage of the CNC machine. Then comes to the second point, second advantage. Time taken to perform a job is very less. Time taken to perform a job is very less. Means whatever the production of the job, okay, if suppose one job production time, if it is in the NC machine, lathe machine is more, but in the CNC machine the time taken is very less time. Within the short of time we are going to be producing the job. Means that one day mentioning time taken to perform a job is very less. and safe to operate. This is also very important. Safe to operate. Operator should be means if you want to operate the CNC machine, it is not effect to you people. Okay, 1 minute. Hello, hello. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 minutes ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 minutes ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Hello, sorry for that. Okay, safe to operate. Okay, time taken to perform the job is very less. Safe to operate. Okay, third point. So how it is safe to operate means compared to other machines, it is very safest, because what we'll do here, sliding door I say while explaining the components of CNC machine, I said that sliding door will be there. Okay, it comes to the physical point of view I'm telling. Okay, if you fix the workpiece inside the whatever the jaws, what will happen, jaws going to be hold. Okay, the fixture and the jigs are there, is going to be hold. It's if it is without door, what will happen, sometimes it's going to be whatever the lubricant we are going to supplying with the high pressure of raw material, whatever the material removal process it is, the material is continuously removing. Yes or no? If it is door will be not there, it is not safer. Okay, it is come and hit, sometimes the workpiece come and hit with the high speed of the workers. Yes or no? With to the other machines and all. So this should not be happened in the which one CNC machine. Because of that reason, they did the sliding door for the closing and all. Okay, so that for that I am telling that safe to operate. Number of operators required to operate a machine are recorded. Okay, what will happen here, the number of operators is no need, because in the lathe machines different operations, maybe skilled persons, then only it's going to be handle the manual operations. Okay, so it should not, it should be a okay, it's having a number of I think number of what you call operators needed in the other machines, but in the case of CNC machine there is no need the number of machines, no possibility of human error. Here there is a because everything is doing the machines only, there is no error, there is no point of the error of the human. Okay, then it is a reliable, means very flexible. Okay, if you want to store, if you want to stop the program, if you want to run editing, everything will be there. Even very complex designs can also be made. Okay, even very complex designs can also be made, means design component also can able to made over here. Then low maintenance is also required. This program, whatever the CNC machine I'm telling, no, this is maintenance also very less. Okay, so today the topic is we are discussing the, I think 6 to 7 slides we are going to discussing concepts. Okay, today I'm going to stop the class today. Hello, Rushabh Shah and Bade Sahib. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding all the topics today?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. Okay, I'm going to be close the session today. Okay. Session close. So thanks for the attending. Okay, Rushabh Shah as well as Bade Sahib. Okay. Thanks for attending. I hope you understanding all the slides. Okay. If at all you're not understanding anything, any doubts are there, okay, any queries are there, please contact me. Okay, send a message to your WhatsApp, as well as you can text a message to me. Okay, anytime you can call it and contact me. Thanks for attending. Okay, tomorrow I came with a different topic. Okay, please, everyone has to attend regularly, come regularly, and understand the concept regularly. Be ready for the examination purpose. Okay, so again it is going to be till I think maybe May 15, May 17 that lockdown will be there. So for that reason you have to prepare in the home only. Seriously you have to prepare it. Once again I would like to tell that thanks to attending. Okay, bye. Okay.
Thank you.